Okay, this is on a SunJoe electric lawnmower, 40 volt cordless. It is model number ION 16LM. A lot of times what happened is these wheels would drop down and the blades would end up just chopping the grass and burning them. So what I ended up doing is, let's see here, let me get this into the sun so it's easier to see. What I ended up doing is drilling a hole and you know, basically blocking this axle from moving over, so this axle, when it hits that nut in there, it won't drop down. So what you can do for an easy fix is just drill a hole in here and place something in there to block it, keep this axle from coming over that way and allowing this wheel to drop down. Just some simple fixes you can do on these lawnmowers. I also did one for the switch on another video. You can check that out on one of the other videos I have. All right, thanks. Bye.